Today we see many TV commercials that address the concerns of an individual who has been injured as a result of being struck by a tractor trailer. When this event occurs, it is necessary that a law firm that is experienced in handling cases against tractor trailers be retained. Tractor trailers that travel from state to state are governed by the rules and regulations of the Interstate Commerce Commission. One of those rules require that the company carry a minimum of $1 million of liability insurance. If that tractor is involved in an accident, there is available the minimum amount of $1 million to pay damages. This is to be contrasted to what is required of automobile drivers, which by state law in Pennsylvania is $15,000. Tractor trailer companies are located throughout the United States of America. They travel the interstates, and it is not uncommon that when an accident occurs in Pennsylvania, the trucking company can come from as far away as Florida, California, or even the state of Washington. It is necessary that investigation be done to identify the trucking company and to confirm that it is a valid company in compliance with the Interstate Commerce Commission rules and regulations. Interstate trucking companies are required to hire qualified drivers. It is imperative in a tractor-trailer collision that intense investigation be conducted to determine the driver's credentials. Not only must they maintain a valid commercial driver's license, it is necessary that information be obtained as to their driving record, their employment record, and whether or not they have a criminal history. This is the type of information you need to know, since it relates to whether or not the driver should have been behind the wheel at the time of the accident, and whether or not the trucking company was at fault in allowing the driver to operate their rig if they weren't qualified. Trucking companies will have their insurance company and its investigators at the scene of the accident and obtain information before the police arrive. It is therefore necessary that you hire counsel as soon as possible that has the experience in investigating and representing parties injured in trucking accidents, to retain investigators and accident reconstruction experts as soon as possible to get to the scene before too much of the scene is changed, such as skid marks being washed away by the rain, pieces of the vehicle being pushed off the road and lost, and the truck being repaired or salvaged before your expert can examine the same. Trucking cases require a tremendous amount of time and money to be handled successfully. Anzalone Law Offices has brought suit against trucking companies throughout the United States of America and has the experience and resources necessary to bring your case to a successful conclusion. As with all personal injury cases, our office will accept your claim on a contingent fee, in which we will advance all costs necessary for investigations and experts needed to bring your case to a successful conclusion, and only be reimbursed together with our fee at the conclusion of your case. If you or a family member have received injury as a result of a trucking accident, call us. We'll be happy to answer your questions. And remember, we are proud to represent the injured.